Welcome to my intermediate pronunciation project. My name is Safira Jihan, and the objective of this video is to help you master two essential but often tricky English sounds: the long vowel sound and the consonant sound w or w. Let's make your English sound clearer and more confident. Let's start with our first sound, This is a long central vowel, often called the squawit line. It's the sound you hear in words like bird or girl. To make the sounds, the lips are only slightly rounded and relaxed. Your tongue should be flat and central in your mouth, crucially because of the two dots in symbol. You must hold the sound for a longer time. Not but Let's look at some examples, varying where the sound appears in the word. At the beginning, earn. In the middle, turn. Word. At the end, fur. Now, repeat this sentence with me. The girl learned to turn the word around. The girl learned to turn the word around. One more time. The girl learned to turn the word around. Our second sound is the consonant w, or it symbols with W, which is a voice sound. This is the sound you hear in water or wonderful. It is a glide, meaning your mouth shapes moves quickly into the next vowel sound. To make the w sound, you must round your lips very tightly, almost like you are preparing to whistle or give a quick kiss. The sound should come from your throat because its voice. Try it. W, we, woo, we, wo. W, we, woo, we, wo. One more time. W, we, woo, we, wo. A quick tip. New learners often confuse w with v sound. Remember, w is made with rounded lips, wet, and v is made by touching your top teeth to your bottom lip, vit. Let's practice some words where the w sound appears. At the beginning, why, were. In the middle, away, swim. Twice. W rarely appears at the end of a word, but sometimes it can really appear. For the example, it's wow. It contains two w sounds at the beginning and in the end. Now, try this sentence with me, making sure your lips are rounded for every w sound. We would walk west to watch the water. We would walk west to watch the water. One more time. We would walk west to watch the water. So, why is mastering these two sounds so important? Clear pronunciation of prevents confusion between words like firm and foam, and a distinct w or w sounds ensures people understand words like we instead of we. This is key for clarity and effective communication. Last tips from me. Consistent practice improves your pronunciation and boosts your confidence. Keep practicing the sounds every day. Remember, keep practicing the sounds or any other sounds every day because it will make your pronunciation better. Thank you for watching my video. I hope these tips help you on your English journey. See you maybe in my next video, and bye.